Hey you guys, so I wanted to do this awesome unboxing video. I had just got my package in the mail from Salon centric and .com, and I want to show you guys what I got from there. So recently I decided to bend and actually buy a brand new line, as well as buy some of Redken's amazing new products. So inside, this is all lovely packaged, good job. Salon centric usually does a great job at packaging. I had purchased the swatch book from Pulp Riot. They had just came out with Faction 8, which I'm really excited to try their color line on my clients as well as myself when the time comes. And I ordered a whole bunch of Lanza liquids, which are Lanza Hair Color's new demi-permanent line of liquid color. Super psyched to try this. I heard a lot of good things from it. And because I got 18, it comes with the Ultimate Essentials kit, which inside includes your developer and your swatch. So that is going to be super fun. And let's see, last but not least, you get this. I got this amazing Redken. They recently came out with a brand new Nature and Science vegan line of Redken Extreme, and I recently also purchased the All Smooth and the Color Extend. So Color Extend, All Smooth, and Redken Extreme are now available in a vegan formula. So I'll be reviewing these on myself because Redken Extreme is awesome if you have damaged or overprocessed hair. It is like a miracle in a bottle. That and Lanza. So just to give you guys an idea of what to expect in these upcoming videos, comment down below if you'd like these unboxing videos and I'll try to do some more of them. So, like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will be on with some reviews coming up for you guys.